The race to modernization is really an opportunity for the United States and its partners and allies to reinvest back into the technologies, industrial base, and position the U.S. as the dominant leader in innovation, as it once used to be post-World War II. It's made up of quite a few different components. One is the pacing challenge that we currently have with China. China is trying to achieve global dominance, and by improving their military capabilities, positioning themselves for potential conflicts on the horizon to demonstrate their power and leadership in the world. What this means for the United States and for our allies and partners is placing a reemphasis on modernizing our capabilities. Another aspect of modernization that I think is important to address is the industrial defense space. Ukraine really created an exposure opportunity for the U.S. government to showcase that we have a depleted stockpile in many areas of warfighting equipment and munitions. What this has done is created an awakening of some sorts to drive back rebuilding the stockpile, reinvesting in our industrial base, and modernizing our capabilities at a much more accelerated rate. Some of the examples of where Dane Zimmerman is really leading the effort in terms of bolstering our industrial defense capabilities include the munitions modernization efforts that are currently underway, building future artillery complex, working as an organization to integrate automation, semi-automation, looking at improved analytics and understanding how to speed up throughput when we need to scale to meet surge demands like we're currently facing. We're also embarking on a research and development effort to create a prototype of a munitions campus that will allow the DoD to expedite production and have the agility and collaboration needed to add new energetics, for example, or to be able to meet surge demands as we're currently facing now, but for the future, leveraging as much technology and process improvement as we can. Climate change is another added variable that is definitely worth mentioning. For many years now, our Energy and Sustainability Group has been working with Department of State's Overseas Building Operations to establish energy resilience and energy secure design standards for all of their embassies, especially in some of the more fragile environments where you cannot rely on local infrastructure to power the embassy's capabilities. This includes exploring alternative capabilities, creating redundancy to keep the embassies running for a period of time, despite what may occur. This is an opportunity to reinvest back into our industrial base, as well as our innovation platforms, and let the federal government remain as the innovation leader.